Thank you very much. I'm very humbled. Well, it's amazing. I think no one better than Vogue to do these beauty awards, honestly. Well, I don't really know. I thought it was a beautiful concept. Atul was right here, and I thought it was executed really, really well. I think what's important is that you take the idea behind it, the ethos behind it, and it applies to women all over the world, really. What kind of beauty tips? I think whenever you leave the house, just leave with a beautiful smile. I think if your smile reaches your eyes, it just makes you look beautiful.
खूबसूरती की परिभाषा क्या है?
खूबसूरती की परिभाषा ये है कि आई थिंक आप अगर खुद में विश्वास रखती हैं, आई थिंक कॉन्फिडेंस सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट है खूबसूरत दिखने के लिए. एंड आई थिंक एवरीवन इज ब्यूटीफुल इफ यू जस्ट
there have been many actors coming from Pakistan, like Fawad Khan and Humayma Malik. Since there has been a tiff between amongst the Pakistani singers, what do you think is the future?
I'm not Pakistani.
No.
Okay, no, I'm just to clarify, yeah.
It's a general question.
Yes, just a general question, yes.
Yeah. What is the future of Pakistani actors in Bollywood?
Wow, I don't really know, yeah. I wish we knew answers to this situation, but I think, peace is very important. I think no matter where you're from, I think... yeah, you got that. Sorry, No, I think peace is very important. I think no matter what part of the world you live in, I think every citizen, every human being has a right to grow up, to live in an environment which is peaceful and which allows for freedom. So that's my answer.
A small request. Our CNN channel is doing a movement on Independence Day, Clean Up India. So can you just look at the camera and say it in your words? For Independence Day, you have to clean the film. Join us to clean the film for Clean Up India.
So this Independence Day, help us join this movement, clean the film. Yeah, all right, thank you.
अगर कोई फिल्म फ्लॉप होती है तो आपको लगता है कि किसे ब्लेम करना चाहिए?
खुद को ब्लेम करना चाहिए.
But ऐसा होता है कि अगर फिल्म हिट होती है, फिल्म अगर हिट होती है तो एक्टर पूरा क्रेडिट लेके जाता है, बट अगर फ्लॉप होती है तो डायरेक्टर को ब्लेम किया जाता है.
बट पता नहीं, आई डोंट नो, फिल्म मतलब इट्स सच अ बिग टीम वर्क. आई थिंक अगर हिट हो या फ्लॉप हो, आई थिंक पूरा क्रेडिट सबको ही जाता है. बट आई वुड होप दैट सारी फिल्में अच्छा करें, बिकॉज बहुत मेहनत जाती है फिल्मों को बनाने में. सो whoever is part of it, I think everybody best of luck. One fashion statement I personally believe in: when in doubt, wear black. Thanks.